Few Americans pause to think about the International Space Station up there with a crew on board orbiting Earth every 90 minutes. That is until something goes wrong, which it did earlier today during a spacewalk while cameras recorded it all as an astronaut's helmet started to fill with water. Our report on it tonight from NBC's Tom Costello.
Hey, Luca, can you give us a stat?
American astronaut Chris Cassidy and Italian astronaut Luca Parmitano were only an hour into their spacewalk when Parmitano reported a problem. Water was leaking into his helmet.
I feel a lot of water on the back of my head, but I don't think it's leaked from my back.
Are you sweating? Are you working hard?
I am sweating, but it feels like a lot of water.
Fellow astronaut Cassidy took a look. Sure enough, water was beating down Parmitano's forehead.
I see it now.
At first, the astronauts thought Parmitano's drinking water bag was leaking, but there seemed to be too much water for that to be the source.
But where's it coming from then? It's too much.
I don't know. It's a lot.
As Parmitano struggled to see and hear, Mission Control called off the spacewalk.
Water is in his eyes now, and it seems to be increasing. We think we're going to terminate EVA case for EV2.
Within minutes, Parmitano was back in the space station, with Russian and American crew members working fast to remove his helmet. When they did, water floated out, and they needed towels to dry him off. So what happened? Nearly 1.5 liters leaked into his suit. Did it come from the suit's cooling system? NASA still isn't sure.
Clearly, we have a problem at this point that we don't quite understand.
Former astronaut and veteran spacewalker Steve Robinson.
They'll have to try to understand if it happened to this spacesuit, is there any danger of it happening to another spacesuit on board?
NASA was clearly concerned Parmitano was in danger. Now an urgent investigation to determine what happened. Tom Costello, NBC News, Washington.